Potable. Safe and clean enough to drink. Is this tap water potable? This water is potable and safe to drink. Portable. Something that is easy to carry or move from one place to another. Laptops are portable and easy to carry anywhere. This portable charger is very useful while traveling. Combustible. Something that can catch fire and burn easily, like paper, wood, or gasoline. Paper and dry leaves are very combustible. Gasoline is very combustible, so keep it away from flames. Perishable. Something that can spoil, decay, or go bad quickly, especially food. Milk is a perishable item. Keep it in the fridge. Fruits and vegetables are perishable goods. Disposable. Something that is meant to be used once, or for a short time, and then thrown away. These are disposable plates, just throw them away. The cafe serves food in disposable containers. Invincible. Too strong or powerful to be defeated, like a superhero or an unbeatable team. Superman is invincible in the comics. No one is invincible. We all have weaknesses. After winning the first 3 games, our team felt invincible. Legible. Easy to read or understand, especially handwriting or printed text. Your handwriting is very legible. I can read it easily. The doctor's writing is not very legible. Affordable. Something is not too expensive. You can buy it without much difficulty. This car is affordable for middle-class families. They sell affordable houses in this area. Feasible. Something that is possible or practical to do. Is it feasible to finish this project by tomorrow? I don't think it's feasible to finish all this work today. It's not feasible to walk to the station in this rain. Gullible. Easily fooled or tricked because you trust people too quickly. Don't be so gullible, that offer is fake. He is very gullible and believes everything he hears. He tried to fool her, thinking she was gullible. Durable. Something that is strong and long-lasting, and does not break or wear out easily. Wooden chairs are more durable than plastic ones. These shoes are very durable. I've had them for 5 years. Tangible. Something that can be touched or felt physically, real and concrete, not imaginary. The book is tangible. You can hold it in your hand. I need tangible proof before I believe his story. The fear in her eyes was tangible. Inedible. Not safe or suitable to eat. The food was burned and completely inedible. These mushrooms are inedible. Don't cook them. Foldable. Something that can be folded easily. This foldable chair is very light and portable. Foldable cycles are easy to carry on the train.